What is green building and why is it important to each of us? Certified green buildings are designed to reduce the overall impact of the built environment on human health and the natural environment by efficiently using energy, water, and material resources, protecting occupant health and improving employee productivity, reducing waste, pollution, and environmental degradation. Green building also uses strategies to help communities be more resilient to natural disasters and climate change impacts.
Green building is more than just a label. It's a philosophy in how to construct a home. It is taking the best construction practices used today, along with the best, most energy efficient and environmentally friendly materials, and incorporating them into the construction of a home.
The main reason to support green building is that it actually takes advantage of resources you have, makes most efficient use of them, and also looks toward the future so that you're not only planning for your current residents, but future generations.
The built environment can have a really big impact on the natural environment, positive and negative. And green building is really about introducing technologies into our developed areas that are better for our health and environmental health.
As the consumer demand grows, the millennials are approaching and we need to pay attention to some of their demands, one of them being having a high efficient home with a lot of technology and features in it that are focused towards sustainability in the future.
Why certify? In addition to environmental sustainability, health benefits, energy savings, and increased property value, certification adds a layer of accountability and integrity for the building team. Florida Green Building Coalition certification standards ensure that the green measures specified for the project have been achieved and that the building and equipment perform to the proper levels.
And anyone can tell you that they're building something green or energy efficient or high performance. The third party comes in and actually verifies and proves that it was built to what those standards would be. Don't let somebody tell you that they're going to build green without going through the certification process. To me, that is the only way you can truly build green, is having it certified.
Who is FGBC? The Florida Green Building Coalition, known as FGBC, is a Florida nonprofit dedicated to improving Florida's built environment. Our mission is to lead and promote sustainability with environmental, economic, and social benefits through regional education and certification programs.
We're a statewide organization, and we are pushing the envelope in Florida to make Florida buildings, governments, and communities a better place and a more sustainable place to live.
The Florida Green Building Coalition is the leading certifier of green projects in Florida.
There's a growing consumer demand for green buildings, green developments, and green communities. And I think there's an opportunity to bring more of Florida up to a higher, greener standard. Florida Green Building Coalition is really leading the way in that effort.
Florida Green Building Coalition is put together by people, experts in the state of Florida.
The people that work at FGBC, the staff, are really hands-on, very dedicated.
When I think of FGBC, I think of people. With FGBC, you can pick up a phone and someone will answer that call.
FGBC standards are endorsed by the Florida League of Cities, Florida League of Mayors, and Florida Home Builders Association. In 2008, the Florida statute specifically named the FGBC certification program as one of the 3 acceptable standards required for construction of new government buildings. Why choose Florida Green Building Coalition? The FGBC certification standards are the only ones based on climate-specific criteria to address issues relating to Florida's hot, humid environment and natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, wildfires, and termites. Competing certification programs are national in scope and primarily address heating-dominated climates, where Florida is predominantly a cooling-dominated climate. Using climate-specific criteria results in optimal building performance and reduced operating costs.
We live in Florida. Our climate's different than everywhere else in the country. Our water resources are different. Our energy needs are different. There's many things in Florida that are different. We have more coastline than just about any state. So protecting that environment in Florida has really always been very important to me.
The Florida Green Building Coalition is climate specific, so the biggest differentiator is that we understand hot, humid climates, we understand Florida's building code, we understand the resiliency that you need to build in this climate.
What are the benefits of green building certification? Green building certification has a broad positive impact for all of us. It has been documented to provide healthier indoor environments, improved worker productivity, and increased market value. Green certification by an independent third party provides quality assurance for homeowners. Green building certification improves indoor air quality through enhanced ventilation and by reducing the use of materials containing harmful chemicals, making the home healthier to live in. Proper ventilation that circulates fresh air and removes humidity, allergens, or pollutants reduces the risk of asthma or other respiratory problems. Plus, the home is less costly to operate due to increased energy efficiency, water conservation, and durability of materials.
If you're a homeowner, the benefits to you are really that you're in a much more healthy and efficient home. You usually will end up saving a significant amount of money between lower energy bills and water bills. As technology has advanced and new products have come out, we are able now to take what we know, incorporate it into a home, and actually make informed decisions to save energy, save water, save resources.
Green building certification can increase the resale value of the home, provide insurance premium discounts, and increase mortgage money qualifications. When buying a home, ask your builder or realtor for an FGBC certified green home. Learn how to renovate to make your home a greener home. Learn about the increased value of green homes and be a green building supporter in your community. Support FGBC with your membership or donations.
So a lot of the information is on the Florida Green Building Coalition's website, and if you're looking at building a green home, there's information there that can help you before you start going through that process.